Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will going to see how you can post HTML form data to Google Sheets by using API. It is the easiest way to get user data saved at backend without much coding. We will be using a little bit of JavaScript in this method, but don't get worried if you aren't familiar with JavaScript. You can just copy-paste the code which is given in the description box below and then follow the steps accordingly. Before that, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. So let's get in it without much talking. So first of all we have to create a HTML sign-up form. If you already have a form created you can just use it, or else you can get a form ready-made, just follow the steps. Go to your computer browser and search for HTML code for sign-up form. And then click on this link. In the Forms section, click on the Sign Up form. Copy the HTML code given below. Now open your text editor and create a .html file. Then load your main HTML document. Give your document a name if want to, or else keep it as it is. Now we have to link our CSS file and main document by using a link tag. So let's start with creating a CSS file by giving it as .css extension. After that, paste your HTML code in body tag. And then paste the CSS code in our CSS file, which we have created now. Then run the code. Now here your user can add their details, but after hitting the submit button the data has to be collected somewhere. Now the main part comes, how to send this data to Google Sheets, which is our backend. For that we have to use a method called post. And little bit of JavaScript. As I said, JavaScript will be available in the description box below. So let's start with creating a new Google Sheet for our form. Go to your browser and open a new tab, then search for Google Sheets. And create a new Google Sheet. So now in the first column we want user's email address. So write email. In second column we want user's password, so write password, and in the third column we want repeated password, so write repeated password. These names are only for admin uses, but it has to be the same to the one which we have given in our main HTML document. Now we have to make some changes in our HTML code. So for example, In input tag the name is equal to email, but we have to change it as name equal to data bracket email, so that user's email will be sent as data to our backend. Repeat the same steps for rest of the input tags. After that we have to give our API link and form tag. So let's start with creating an API. Open a new tab in browser and search for SHEETDB API. Then click on Create Free API button to create a new API. After that it will ask you to choose a Google account. Select the same Google account from which you have created the Google Sheet. After that click on Create New button at the top right corner. Here we have to paste the Google Sheet URL, which we have created previously. Copy the link and paste it here. Then click on Create API. Copy the second link and paste it in form tag. Where action equal to your API link. Now we have to declare a method. In our case we are using post method, so write method equal to post. We also have to mention ID of our API, so write ID equal to SHEETDB-form. Till now we have successfully created a form and API. Now the last part is JavaScript, so let's start with JavaScript. Under form tag open a script tag, then under script tag paste the JavaScript code which is given in the description box below. Now over here you can give your next page link, if you wanted to redirect the user to the next page, after hitting the submit button. I linked a page here, this page contains a message that you have signed up successfully. Now you are all set. Go to your form. Enter your details. And then click on the sign up button. After that user data will be posted to the Google Sheet automatically. Check whether the data is properly submitted or not. So, in the next video, I will show you how you can host this form live on the internet for free of cost. If you are still watching the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you get any errors while doing it, comment below. Thanks for watching.